In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing Vehicle Gateway using Motive Cable 3043 for Freightliner 2018 and 2020 vehicle.
Hey there, I'm Joe Luciano from Motive. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Motive Vehicle Gateway with cable 3043. Cable 3043 is approximately 6 feet long. The end with the thumb screws connects to the Vehicle Gateway. The other end has 4 wires. Red is power. This must be connected to a battery or ignition splice pack. Do not connect it to an illumination splice pack. Black is ground. Green is CAN low. Yellow is CAN high. These wires will be plugged into splice packs inside your dashboard. Now, let's take a look at what comes in the Motive Vehicle Gateway box. In the box, you'll have an installation manual and, of course, your Motive Vehicle Gateway. These zip ties can be used to fasten the Vehicle Gateway in place, or the adhesive strips on the back. The included alcohol pad is used to wipe the surface where you plan to adhere the Vehicle Gateway. Wherever you install on the vehicle, ensure that the logo on the top of the Vehicle Gateway is facing the sky. Here's the serial port where you'll connect the Motive cable. The Vehicle Gateway requires between 11 and 32 volts to operate. On this side is a USB port to connect a dash cam if you have one. Now, before getting started, here are the tools you may need depending on the make, model, and year of your vehicle. Power drill, pinhole reset tool, drill bits, socket set, plastic pry bar, screwdrivers, and of course, anything you can use to cut some excess zip ties. And now the part we've all been waiting for. Let's go get our hands dirty with this installation.
Before you start, make sure that the vehicle is parked safely, the engine is turned off, and the key is removed from the ignition. If the truck has a main power switch, turn that off too. Decide where the Vehicle Gateway is going to live. You can install it either on top of the dashboard, or you can do a discrete installation where you install the Vehicle Gateway beneath the dashboard. Remove the outer dash trim by unscrewing all the T25 screws. Unscrew all the T25 screws and remove the instrumentation panel. You'll also need to unscrew the red trailer air supply and yellow parking brake knobs in order to remove the panel. Remove the passenger dash panel by unscrewing the T25 screws. Then remove the top panel by unscrewing the T25 screws. Next, locate a black and green splice pack in the center dashboard. The splice pack should be labeled J1939250KSP1. Pry off the cap with a flathead screwdriver and then remove the gray wire grommet from the back of the splice pack. Plug the yellow Motive cable into the same row as the other yellow wires in the splice pack. Then plug the green Motive cable into the same row as the other green wires in the splice pack. Reassemble the splice pack in reverse order. Next, locate the ground splice pack labeled ground. Pry off the cap with a flathead screwdriver, and then remove the gray wire grommet. Connect the black Motive ground wire in any open port, and then reassemble. Now locate the power splice pack labeled power battery. Once again, you'll pry off the cap with a flathead screwdriver, and then remove the gray wire grommet. Plug the red Motive wire into any open port. Finally, reassemble this splice pack. Attach the serial port to the Vehicle Gateway. Secure it using the thumb screws. Wrap any excess cables in a circular donut shape and secure them with the provided zip ties. Ensure the cable is not pinched to prevent damage. Whether installed on top of or inside the dashboard, the Motive logo on the Vehicle Gateway must face up towards the sky. Make sure that it's not located under any heavy metals, as this can block the GPS. If the Vehicle Gateway will live on top of the dashboard, prepare the surface by wiping it clean with alcohol pads. Then secure the Vehicle Gateway to the dashboard using the adhesive strips. Now start your vehicle. Observe the LED lights on the Vehicle Gateway, which should illuminate. This process may take about 1 minute. The left LED light will switch to green once the Vehicle Gateway establishes a successful GPS connection. Simultaneously, the right LED light will blink red, indicating the engine is on. Replace all the panels removed during installation, in the reverse order of how they were removed. Great job, you have successfully installed your vehicle gateway in your vehicle. If you need to link your vehicle gateway to the Motive Driver app, check out the Motive Help Center for videos on connecting to the Motive Driver app, Fleet app, creating vehicle and driver profiles, and more.